Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the ng sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The ng sound can occur at the beginning of the word and be spelled by the letter n, g, like in the word ngu, or can be spelled by the combinations of three letters n, g, h, like in the word nghĩ. On the second part of this video, I'm going to talk about the ng ending, like in the word ong. Now let's see how to pronounce the ng sound. First, back of your tongue is raised towards your throat and presses against the soft palate. And the ng sound is a nasal sound, so you have to block the airflow with the back of your tongue and direct it through your nose. Your mouth is positioned for the vowel that comes next. Your lips are relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the ng sound that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords like ng, 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 ngu, nghĩ, ong. Let's contrast the n, g and the n, g, h combinations. They are exactly the same in pronunciation, but they are different only in orthography. The n, g, h combination is followed by vowels like e, e, and we have some words here like nghĩ, nghe, nghe. The n, g combination is followed by other vowels like a, o, u, u. For example, we have some words like nga, ngắn, ngân, ngó, ngô, ngơ, ngu, người. Now let's try to say some words with the ng sound at the beginning of the word. I'm going to say the word first. Then it will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the ng sound is spelled by the letters n and g. Nga, ngó, ngu, ngon, ngọt, ngơ, ngắn, ngựa, ngấm, ngọng, ngượng. Now the ng sound is spelled by the combinations of three letters n, g, h. Nghe, nghi, nghỉ, nghĩ, nghệ, nghìn, nghiền, nghiện. Let's talk about the ng endings. When the ng follows vowels like o, u, you have to close your mouth at the end of word with puffy cheeks, like ong, In other situations like ang, ung, uang, etc., your mouth is opened at the end of word, like when it occurs at the beginning of the word. Ong, ông, ống, ung, ủng, cung, cũng, mong, trong, không, chồng, khủng, khủng, ưng, nặng, nắng, trăng, làng, nâng, nướng, đường, kiêng, khiêng, chuông, trường, nghi ngờ, nắng nóng, nghe ngóng, nghĩ ngợi, trông mong, mông lung, công trường. Let's try to say a sentence with many of the ng sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly at first, then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster, and on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Chồng, nhung, không, thích, nắng, nóng. Now a little bit faster. Chồng nhung, không thích, nắng nóng. Now with normal speed. Chồng nhung không thích nắng nóng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.